Today is odd number day, odd numbers, number day. Hi boys and girls, now it is time for our second lesson in even and odd numbers, and today we'll be focusing on odd numbers. Now we have up here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and we have the word odd. Now these are odd numbers, and most odd numbers, I should say all odd numbers, end with these digits. Let's get into the lesson. So odd numbers, here today we have Odd Tom, who's going to help us to learn about odd numbers. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. For example, we have some cute little bears right here. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3. 3 bears, and that's the numeral 3. Now, if I was supposed to divide this 3 in two equal groups, what would I have? So I would have 2 over here and 1 over here. This means that the number 3 is an odd number. So other odd numbers are like 1, 5, 7, and 9. 9 is not here, but 9 is an odd number. Now, can 1 be divided into an equal group? No. We just found out that 3 cannot be divided in equal group. We have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we're supposed to group the whole 5 here and divide it in equal group, nah, we're still going to have 1 left over, so it's not going to work out. And 7 is the same thing. If you don't believe me, go and get your counters. Count out these numbers and divide them into two equal groups and see if you don't have some numbers left over. Some counters left over. So odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, and 9 regardless of how many digits they are. So here we have our chart, our number chart. And here we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Because remember, we looked at the 2's yesterday. So 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, and so on and so forth. 2, 4s, 6, 8, and 10. These numbers end in 0, 8, 6, 4, and 2. And we call these numbers even numbers. So the odd numbers are the other numbers like 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Over here 3, 13, 23, 33, and so on and so forth. So let's look at a clear example of it. See? Alright, so those are odd numbers on the 1 to 100 chart. Now of course you have to play a game. We can't do the lesson without playing a game. So it says, how many odd numbers do you see in the jar below, and what are they? So you are going to look at the odd numbers here in the chart, in the jar, and you're going to count how many you see and what they are. The first odd number I see here is 31, and an easy way to identify them is to look for the numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. When you're finished with that, in your books you're going to write the odd numbers between 1 to 20 and even numbers between 1 to 20. Have a nice day, guys.